Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today's topic is very important, especially for aspiring and beginner VAs. Ang title natin ngayon ay Hindi lang sipag, bakit trust ang pinakamahalagang skill ng VA. Kahit minsan akala natin kapag masipag ka, okay na. Akala natin kapag mabilis kang gumawa ng task, enough na. Pero sa totoong VA life, hindi lang sipag ang hinahanap ng client. Client needs someone they can trust, someone who gives updates, someone who asks questions, someone who admits mistakes, someone who does not disappear, someone who can be relied on kahit hindi binabantayan every minute. So today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba nabubuo ang trust between VA and a client. Ano ang nakakasira ng trust? And paano makakapagpakita ng trustworthiness ang beginner VA kahit wala pang maraming experience? So for our first question, what trust means in a VA work?
Trusted VA is reliable. Someone they can depend on even na wala sila. Or hindi naman wala sila, hindi sila naka-monitor sa'yo.
How do you show your client that they can trust you?
By providing them yung para silang i-consider mo as your customer. Talagang aalagaan mo sila, bibigyan mo sila ng effort, i-show mo na they can trust you, they can, you know, they can let you work without being monitored, ganyan. At saka syempre din pala, um, they can, they see that you're providing them a good quality uh, performance, good results, ganun.
Is trust built quickly or does it take time?
It definitely takes time. Wala namang instantaneous na trust na parang pag nakita mo yung tao na you're trusted. It you really need to build it up. Kailangan meron kang sinushow sa kanila na um, maybe habit or yung effort mo na makikita nila that will determine kung trustworthy ka ba or hindi.
So nabanggit mo yung habit. Ano naman yung simpleng daily habit na makatutulong para mag-build ng trust?
Um, Honesty. Tapos yung ano din, um, what do you call this? Honesty and being inquisitive sa kanila, and you're minding them the their decisions. Kumbaga, when they tell you to do this and that, you'll really perform what they ask you to do. Kumbaga, alam mo yun. At saka yung transparency mo din sa kanila na pagka halimbawa, sinabihan ka nila na ng feedback, you really make effort para gawin yung feedback na sinasabi nila to show it to them. Yan.
That's true. Trust is not built by one big moment. It is built through small, consistent action.
Yeah.
Kapag sinabi mong mag-update ka.
Oo,
Diba?
correct.
Kapag sinabi mong matatapos mo today, gawin mo. Diba?
Tama.
Kapag may delay, sabihin mo agad. Tapos ito pa ha, kahit na hindi nangihingi ng update, if in case na hindi mo matatapos ngayon, kailangang sabihin mo na, bukas ko 'to matatapos.
Yes, correct.
Napakahalaga nun. Kasi
Mm.
parang ano mo yun, nagkakapaan kayo. So,
Yes.
kailangan we have to be proactive.